Is Baccarat Rouge 540 really worth the hype? From its enchanting scent to its luxury price tag, this fragrance has captivated the world. Stick around to discover what makes it so special and whether it's the perfect addition to your collection. Let's talk about the magic behind Baccarat Rouge 540. Baccarat Rouge 540 isn't just a perfume, it's an icon. Created by Maison Francis Kurkdjian, this fragrance has taken the world by storm for its unforgettable scent and luxurious appeal. In this video, we'll explore its fascinating origin story, break down its unique scent profile, and help you decide which version, eau de parfum or extrait de parfum, is the best fit for you. We'll also discuss if it's worth the investment and share trusted recommendations on where to purchase it safely. Let's dive in. This fragrance was created by master perfumer Francis Kurkdjian to celebrate Baccarat's 250th anniversary, a milestone for the legendary Crystal House. Its name is inspired by the signature red crystal that's heated to an exact 540 degrees Celsius to achieve its iconic crimson hue. This isn't just a perfume, it's a blend of luxury, art, and science, capturing the elegance and craftsmanship that Baccarat is known for. Now, what does Baccarat Rouge 540 actually smell like? This fragrance is as complex as it is captivating. It opens with saffron and jasmine, creating a unique medicinal sweet vibe that immediately catches your attention. As it settles, you'll notice the heart notes of amberwood and Egyptian jasmine, giving it that signature, your skin but better effect, warm, radiant, and effortless. Finally, the base notes of ambergris and cedar provide a woody, mineral-like foundation that seems to float off your skin. Here's the real magic. BR540 has an ethereal quality. It disappears and reappears throughout the day, creating a subtle scent cloud that's as mysterious as it is alluring. Compliments? Trust me, they'll come from places and people you'd least expect. With so many variations of Baccarat Rouge 540, how do you choose the right one? Let's break it down. The eau de parfum is the most versatile option. With 20% concentration, it's perfect for everyday wear, offering 8 to 12 hours of longevity. It's subtle enough for the office, but still turns heads on a night out. If you want something richer and more concentrated, the extrait de parfum is your go-to. It leans deeper into the sweet, candy-like notes while adding a woody dimension, lasting over 12 hours. It's ideal for special occasions or fragrance enthusiasts looking for something truly indulgent. Ultimately, it comes down to how you want to wear it and when. For everyday elegance, go with the EDP. For luxury and depth, choose the extrait. Let's talk about whether Baccarat Rouge 540 is worth its luxury price tag. At over $300 for a full bottle, it's definitely an investment. But here's why so many believe it's worth it. The longevity is unmatched. We're talking 12 plus hours on your skin and even longer on clothing. The sillage is extraordinary. It leaves a unique scent trail that's hard to forget, making it a true signature fragrance. It works across seasons and occasions, offering incredible versatility, from winter nights to summer evenings out. And here's the good news. If you're not ready to commit to a full bottle, you can also try a 0.06 fluid ounce sample, starting at just $21. We've linked it in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Keep in mind, prices can change, so take advantage of this opportunity to experience the magic of BR540 without breaking the bank. Baccarat Rouge 540 isn't just a perfume, it's an experience. If you're looking for a scent that's luxurious, versatile, and unforgettable, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Baccarat Rouge 540's popularity has brought an unfortunate rise in counterfeit products. Don't let fakes ruin your experience. For peace of mind, I highly recommend purchasing from authorized retailers. After extensive research and personal experience, the most reliable option is Amazon's official Maison Francis Kurkdjian brand seller. It offers fast shipping, authentic products, and buyer protection. The link is in the description, so make sure to check it out and shop with confidence. Once you've got your bottle of BR540, here's how to wear it to make the most of its magic. Start with just 2 sprays. Less is more when it comes to this powerhouse fragrance. It's all about creating a subtle yet unforgettable aura. Apply to your pulse points. the wrists, the sides of your neck, and even the back of your neck. These spots enhance the scent as your body's natural warmth activates it. For extra longevity and a luxurious layering effect, use a fragrance-free moisturizing cream before applying the perfume. We have also linked a recommended one in the description. It not only extends the wear time, but also adds depth and richness to the scent. With these tips, you'll enjoy every moment of wearing this iconic fragrance and make a lasting impression wherever you go. If the luxury price tag of Baccarat Rouge 540 feels a little out of reach, don't worry. There are fantastic alternatives that capture a similar vibe without the splurge. Ariana Grande Cloud. This sweeter, playful fragrance is perfect for those who love a youthful and fun take on BR540's DNA. Zara Red Temptation. An affordable alternative that captures the essence of BR540 with similar amber and woody notes. Alt Crystal 23. This close dupe offers a fraction of the price while delivering a comparable experience. We've linked all these options in the description of this video to help you find the best prices available, so be sure to check it out. Love fragrances? Let us know in the comments which scent you're most excited to try, Baccarat Rouge, 540, or one of the alternatives. And before you go, don't forget to join the Shehealth weekly free newsletter, the ultimate source for health, beauty, and wellness tips designed just for you. The link is in the description of this video, so sign up today. Finally, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more luxury fragrance tips and recommendations. And don't miss our next video, Best Zara Perfume for Women, Top 10 Zara Fragrances You'll Love. You won't want to miss the amazing options we've rounded up there.